It's chapter 7, lesson 2. It says divide by 3. As we're dividing by 3. It says Max, Maria, and Tani have 24 markers in all. So we know the total, right? How many markers altogether?
24.
24. How many people are there? 3. So we have Max, Maria, and Tani. Each person has the same number of markers. So there's no remainders. We won't have anything left over. How many markers does each person have? Well, one thing I could do is I could draw 3 circles for 3 people, right? And I'm going to put 1 tally in each one if I hit 24. So I can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then I count each one. How many do I have in each group, right? So how many in each group?
8.
Not 6. 5 here plus the 3 that I put there is 8. So how many crayons are? How many markers does each person have? How do you?
24.
No, each person. How many each person?
8.
8. I even have it right there on the screen. Okay. However, if I use my chart, okay, how many people are there?
3.
How many people are there?
3.
3. There's 3. Okay, there's 3. I go here. Okay. And how many markers altogether?
24.
24. I go all the way across and hit 24, and then I go straight up. Now that tells me how many each person has. So 24 divided by 3 is going to be 8. It says use multiplication table, which we did already. And it says look at row 3. So here's row 3. Circle the divisor. Can you do that for me? Thank you. Follow row to 24. Go all the way across to hit 24. Circle the dividend. And then move straight up the column to 8. And circle the quotient. So 3 is the divisor. 24 is a dividend. And the quotient is the number that goes at the top, which is the answer to a division problem. Okay, so what is the unknown quotient is? 8. That's one way to solve that. You're using your multiplication table. Or you ask yourself this question. One number times 3 gives me 24.
8.
You have one number, 8 times 3 gives me 24. It says find 24 divided by 3 by thinking of a related multiplication fact. Those are fact families. 8 times 3 or 3 times 8 is 24. And 24 divided by 8 is 3, or 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay? Find the unknown factors. I need to find this. Think what times 3 equals 24. We just said it already. 8. So the unknown factor is 8. All right? So again, I have 3 as the dividend. Divisor, sorry. 24 as the dividend. Yes. And what's the quotient again? What goes with the number at the top?
8.
8. Thank you. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. And the unknown is 8. And how many markers does each person have? 8. Voila. Look at example number 2. It says to travel to the beach, Angela and her 5 friends will divide up equally into 3 cars. All right. How many friends will be in each car? Right. So how many people are there?
3, 5, 9, 6.
Okay. Why 6?
Because she has 5 friends.
She has her 5 friends plus herself would be 6. Plus is right there. And we're going to divide them into how many cards?
3.
3. So here's my 3 cards. And I'm going to divide each person into, I'm going to divide those 6 people into those cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm done. Is there any more people I could put in?
No.
No, only 6 people. How many fit in each card?
2.
2. You could skip backwards. So, 1, 2, 3. That's 1. 1, 2, 3. All right. So how many times did I jump across?
2.
Twice. Well, look the way they did. I just want you to know that there's 3 cards, so I need to skip count by 3 backwards. So how many times did I jump?
2.
Twice. That's why I hit 0. So 6 divided by 3 would be
2.
2. Or you could also say, well, one number times 3 gives me 6. 2. Right? So count the numbers of jumps. There were 2 jumps. 1, 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So how many people were in the car?
2.
Just 2 of them. All right. So look at the guided practice. Find 21 divided by 3 using the table. Number 1 says locate row 3 and circle the divisor. Go ahead and do that, please. So if I'm you, I would circle here. Am I circling the 3 there at the top?
No.
No. That's the column. I want the rows. Rows are across, horizontal. So I'm looking at this one right here. Then it says follow the row 3 to 21. So we go across. Here's 21, and I'm going to circle that. That's called a dividend. And then it says circle the quotient to solve it. So I go straight up. What's the number at the top? 7. So circle the quotient to solve it. 21 divided by 3 would be 7. Or what would be my multiplication sentence?
7 times 3.
One number times 3 gives me 21, right? Which is 7. We said that. And we skip count. Check it out. Skip count. What? All right, I think they made a little mistake there, but don't worry about the skip count. Yeah. Don't worry about that. They misprinted. It should be 21 divided by 3. It should be 21 here, and you're skip counting by 3. So if I have a number line from 21, from 21, it would be to 18, to 15, to 12, to 9, to 6, and to 0. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute, I messed up. So 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 jumps. All right. They didn't have that because they misprinted. This should be 21 instead of 12. So all right, let's do this one together. It says skip count backwards to find the quotient. So 24 divided by 3. So here's 24, right? And I'm skip counting by how many?
3.
3. So 1. Oh, they have it already. 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, and 0. How many hops did I make?
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 divided by 3?
8.
8. Go ahead and do, by the way, the answer for number 6. The answer is going to be the same for each blank, okay? So 12, 15 divided by 3, you're like, ask yourself, what number times 3 gives me 15? Everybody?
5.
5. So this is 5 and this is 5. We did number 6, right? 15 divided by 3? Look, here's 3. Go to 15, and then go straight up. It's 5, just like that. So, Aiden, thank you. It's 9. Mason, number 8. Yeah. And number 8 is 7. Nice job.